Whether you are trying to get back to your energetic, disciplined, and purposeful self, or you want a head start into becoming a more disciplined, happy, confident, and self-led version of yourself, this video is for you. If you've been feeling stuck physically, spiritually, mentally, and even financially, or you've been just doom scrolling in bed, not feeling motivated, this is the time to get you back on track. We need to get you back on track because it is time for you to pour into yourself as much as you pour into people who have done absolutely nothing for you. Because the thing is, your body works day and night and every second to keep you alive. And today, we're going to start by helping her. We're going to start by pouring into yourself. Hi, my name is Christa, and here with the Feminine TakeOff, we take off to better ourselves. And now it's time for your comeback with this quick It's Girl Bootcamp. Let's jump right in. We're gonna jump right into point number 1, which is get up and reset your environment. Let's keep it really simple here. I want you to get up, whether you're getting out of bed in the morning or you're getting out of bed or off of the couch from doom scrolling. It doesn't matter. We're here. We don't judge. We get up and we pick up where we left off, or we pick up where we're gonna go next. So I want you to get up and drink some water and hydrate your body. Honor your body with some water by taking that water in. I want you to pour into yourself finally. So go ahead and pour into that cup and drink some water. The nicer the cup, the better the outcome here. So don't be ashamed to just pour yourself a nice glass of water and slowly and gently drink it. And then, ladies, I want you to get up and open a window. Open a window to your balcony, open your actual windows. Whatever you can do, I want you to open some windows and let some fresh air in. And then, ladies, I want you to put on soft jazz in the background. You're gonna need this to calm your nervous system. You're gonna need this to forgive yourself. You're gonna need this to get back into your groove, because a little calming jazz, a little luxurious jazz will never hurt anybody. Keep it simple, keep it classical, but keep it jazzy. It doesn't matter what you choose. Now we're going to let your environment support you. And then we're gonna get up. And when we get up, now we're gonna say this: I deserve as much effort as I put into things that are not deserving of me. Today, I get up for me. Now, I want you to pause and sit with that for just a second. And now we're gonna move into action. We're not gonna wait and we're not gonna overthink. Don't feel bad. We've all been there. Here with the Feminine Takeoff, we don't judge. We identify the root of our problem and we fix it. We fix it gently, we fix it with love, but we just fix it. You deserve that. And remember, whatever you've been praying for, now is the time to get up so that you can receive it. So you've been praying for a helicopter, now is the time to get up and learn to fly it. You've been praying for a new job, now is the time to get up and apply for that position. If you've been praying for peace and safety, now is the time to get up and lay the bricks for it. And if you've been praying for more subscribers, now is the time to get up and create the content that they're gonna watch. So get up and start an action. You know what it is. I've given you a few examples. Go ahead and expand from that and do an action right now for you. Keep it simple, apply to that job, create that content, make the outline for the content at least, clean up your environment. We're creating the foundations for our routine here. So we're gonna keep it simple because we are gonna fix our lives through simple, intentional actions. So start here. Get out of bed, clean your space, clean yourself, because personal hygiene matters. The way you show up for the world should also be how you show up for yourself. Sure, you don't have to necessarily have a full face of makeup on, but at least have a clean, refreshed, hydrated version of you. Put on a simple get ready outfit. Even if you're staying at home, let it be your pajamas, your silk robe, your satin robe, your cotton pajamas, whatever it is. Go ahead and put on a simple get ready outfit. We are shifting your energy. Even if you're staying home, that's okay. Go ahead and wear something that is comfortable for you to stay home in. And next, we're gonna focus on movement. And when I say movement, you don't have to go hardcore and run to the gym and start working out and everything. Just to start, I want you to dedicate 20 to 30 minutes to an exercise, whether that is walking, whether that is being home and doing mat Pilates or floor Pilates. You don't need any equipment for this. I don't want you to go and spend money if you don't have the tools. I just want you to move. So if you're gonna walk, go ahead, put on some sneakers on or flip-flops, whatever shoes you have on, and just go ahead and walk. It doesn't have to be a run even. Just go ahead and keep a steady pace and walk. If you're gonna exercise, I want you to go on YouTube, and just as you're watching this video, I want you to look up simple 20 or 30-minute Pilates routine at home. No tools needed, no weights or anything needed. I just want you to focus on movement here. If you're not into Pilates, that's okay. I want you to maybe look up cycling. If you have access to a stationary bicycle or you live in a building that has gym equipment, now is the time to use it. Don't say, oh, there are so many people at the gym, they're looking at me. No one's gonna be looking at you. If they are looking at you, give them a show by working out that beautiful body of yours, only for about 20 minutes. 30 minutes if you want to push it or if you feel like you have it in you. But as for today, I just want you to start with 20 minutes because you don't want to overwhelm yourself and give up midway through our little boot camp here. Now, all I want you to remember is to stretch before and after. So if you're going to go to Pilates, you're going to go cycle, you're going to a little power walk, I want you to stretch your body. Look up even stretches if you don't know the right stretches to do, but go ahead and stretch before and after your workout because it's so important to relax your muscles and to soothe them after you've just amended so much from them. So go ahead and start. Next, I want you to plan your life gently. You don't have to do too much, but I want you to ask yourself what it is that you want. So go ahead and open those mails that you've been letting piled up for God knows how long. Again, we don't judge. We find the roots of the problem and we fix it. So open your mail. There might be something important in there or even an unexpected check waiting for you to cash it. Your blessings can come in so many forms. Don't delay them because anxiety around you is causing you not to open your mail. So go ahead and open your mail, order groceries or go to the grocery store, but don't overwhelm yourself here. So don't put random things in your cart, especially if money's a little tight, just in the name of bettering yourself. Go ahead and plan, get simple things that you might need like bananas or fruits for breakfast, simple and easy breakfast items, simple salad trays, proteins like sardines, eggs, or anything that's accessible to your diet or to your budget, steak, poultry, anything that is protein. I want you to figure out what you do eat, what makes your body feel good, and I want you to add that to your grocery cart. It doesn't have to be for the month's worth. Start small, make it for a few days worth, make it for a week's worth even. I just want you to not overwhelm yourself here. And remember that this is about nourishment, not pressure. We're not jumping into boot camp to better ourselves through pressure. We are getting into an It Girl Bootcamp to better ourselves and give ourselves what it is that we need. We are listening to ourselves and we are answering to the call appropriately. Now that we've got nourishment out of the way and we figured out how we're going to fuel our bodies, we're going to get back into the action and update our resume. You're going to need that updated resume to apply to get jobs that are going to help with your livelihood. You cannot leave stress behind if you're worried about your livelihood, money, or your job is stressing you out if it is your job. So update that resume, finish those deadlines that you need to finish if you already have a job, create the content that you've been planning on creating for days or weeks now. Just get something done that's going to contribute to your livelihood, that's going to contribute to more money in your pocket. And if you have all of that down packed, then I want you to simply sit and journal. That is still an actionable thing to do. Sit down and journal. You would be so surprised what would happen when you're sitting down, you're journaling your thoughts. Your thoughts would unlock things that you need that you didn't even know that you needed. So go ahead and start journaling. When you put down a pen on a paper, your mind unlocks things that you need. Your body will start telling you the things that you need to do for you. things that even I can't think of to tell you. So go ahead, open up that journal. Remember that that is still an actionable thing that you are doing, and write down the things that you know you need to take actions on. And then after you've taken all of that action, we're going to start rewarding ourselves with more intention. So rest is allowed, remember that, but it has to be intentional. So go ahead and take a nap, watch one episode of your favorite TV show, sit somewhere peaceful and enjoy a cup of tea. This is you saying, I'm rewarding myself for all of the actions I've just taken. For me getting out of bed, brushing my teeth, taking care of my hygiene, applying to jobs, getting groceries done, finding all the things that I need to do. Now I'm gonna relax and reward myself. I'm gonna reward myself with rest. I'm gonna reward myself with entertainment. I'm not gonna overdo this reward, but I'm going to give myself this reward because I deserve it. I've honored myself and now I deserve the fruits of this labor. Now, after you've rested and rewarded yourself, we are going to prepare for tomorrow. You have already done the hard part today. You worked out, you figured out what you're going to eat and nourish yourself with. You've applied to jobs, you've journaled, you've done anything that you needed to do. You've taken action today. Now we're just going to prepare to repeat it again, but now it's going to be easier because the hard part is only done once. Now we've gotten into a nice little routine and we're going to maintain that routine. Now there's no more need to do the hard things because you've already done it. And now we're going to do the same thing you did today, but we're going to maintain it. So tomorrow when you wake up, you're going to hydrate your beautiful body. You're going to get up and make the bed. You're going to continue with your 20 to 30 minute movement routine. You're going to sit down and apply for more opportunities using your resume that you've already updated. And then you're going to fuel your body with the food that you bought. So hunger is the last thing you have to worry about. Then you're going to continue listening to uplifting music or soft jazz while you're getting ready. Congratulations, you've just completed your first It Girl Bootcamp. How was it? I hope it was great. Now all you're gonna need to do is maintain it, because the funny thing about being an it girl, once you start the process, then you already are an it girl. All you have to do now is to maintain it. And remember, if you plant nothing today, you will have no fruit to harvest tomorrow. And you've already done the planting today. So you are going to maintain that planting by watering it, by continuing that routine. I'm so proud of you. And here with the Feminine Takeoff, as always, we plant ourselves and we nurture ourselves until we bloom. We did it. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and again, let me know where your It Girl Bootcamp has taken you. I'm so proud of you. I hope to see you again. Now go and continue to be the hot It Girl that you are. As always, here with the Feminine Takeoff, we take off to better ourselves. Mwah.